व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर अम्मा बाद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. I'm your teacher Amir Miraj, and this is Punjab Board Mathematics exercise 4.1 question number 1 part 4, and the question is 4a²b plus 8ab². This is the question, and you are watching concept coaching. So first of all, you see that this is 4 and this is 8, and we can split this 4. This is 4 here, we will write as it is, and we write 2 times a and b as it is. Now we can split this 8 into 4 times 2, and then a, and then we have b square, so we can write b 2 times. We just take the common for factorization, and this is the factorization of this question. Now you see that what are the common. This 4 is common, I am just highlighting. 4 is common in both the terms. A is common here and here. A is common, and B is common here. This B is common, this B is common. So this is the common things, common terms. So we can take common. 4 is common, A is common, and B is common. We start the bracket now, and now I am left with this A, which is not highlighted, so we write A here, plus, and this is 2 here, 2, and B, which is not highlighted, so we write which is not highlighted. So this is the factorization. This is so simple. This is the factorization, and this is the final answer of this question. Thank you very much, and we will meet inshallah in the next question, part 4, and this is part 4, and we will do the next part 5 in the next lecture. Till then, take care.